Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and in this video I shall show you how to turn 5G off or on your iPhone 17. Now, I'm doing it with a current version of iOS as of the beginning of November 2025. So first things first, go into your settings menu. Scroll down in your settings menu to mobile service. In mobile service, scroll down, the second option should be mobile data options. And when you're in your mobile data options, click on voice and data. And then in voice and data, switch to 4G. This will mean that 5G is not used when available. It's just going to connect to 4G. And then press back and back and back and go to your home screen, and that should be you. You'll only connect to 4G networks. Likewise, if you want to ensure you have 5G on, go to Settings, Mobile Service, Mobile Data Options, Voice and Data. I usually keep it on 5G Auto. So that's it. That's how to switch 5G off or on the iPhone 17. This should work with any other recent iPhones because iOS is the same everywhere. Just be aware of the fact that the wording may be slightly different depending on which market or which country you're in. Apple has a tendency to localize that, as in make it more local. So where it says mobile data in the UK, you may see cellular data in the US, and likewise in Canada. So there you go. If you have any questions, if you'd like to know more, please do leave us a comment in the section below. We'll do our best to get back to you as soon as we can. And if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, anything we think makes the travel experience better. But for now, thanks for watching and goodbye from me.